Today I'm going to share a very special recipe in memory of my beloved aunt who we all lost a couple of weeks ago. This was one of her requests a long time ago. This is one of her favorite dish, which is called crispy banana fry. So in her memory and in dedication to her, I'm going to do this recipe. So it's a very simple and tasty recipe. So friends, welcome to Ratna's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me again today. Today I'm going to share with you this beautiful, very tasty and very easy to make banana fry. I'll show you the main ingredients for this recipe. So here we have a green banana. There are two varieties. One you can buy something like this, and one is called plantain, which is bit thicker in size. That tastes much better. But today I'm going to use this, and a half of an onion, some garlic, dry red chilies, curry leaves, and the other ingredients what I'm going to use for seasoning I'll show you as I go along. So first let me show you how to prepare the bananas, how to peel them and cut them into pieces. So here is the banana. Let's just cut the end bits here, and then we are going to peel the skin just slightly, just peel it off. So this is the skin is off now, so it's a green banana. Always use the raw banana for this dish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just make a slit. And we are going to cut it into, try to cut it as thin as possible if you want it nice and crispy. If you want this dish to be a bit softer, then you can do a thicker slices. So have a look at these pieces. So this is how they are. That's the thickness of it. So what I'm going to do for banana, I've taken some water there, and I'm going to add some salt to this water. The reason why I'm adding salt is banana, after cutting it, it discolors just like an apple. Once you cut it, you know how it gets discolored. So this salt is going to help it not to get discolored. So I'm just going to soak it in salt water until I finish cutting all of it. I'm just taking half an onion, just only half. I'm using 3 cloves of garlic, just crush them lightly. Dry red chilies, 3 of them. And curry leaf. So let's start the process of making banana fry. Got the stove on now, on high. So I'm going to add oil. So I'm using olive oil in this. You can use any cooking oil, but olive oil is going to give a beautiful taste to this banana fry. So I'm adding quite a little bit of an amount because I want the bananas to nice and crisp up nicely. So oil is hot now, so I'm going to add some mustard seeds. Going to add some cumin seeds. Adding some urad and channa daal. dry red chilies, adding the crushed garlic. Let's just stir it up. Added the sliced onion. Going to add the curry leaves. I'm going to fry the onion until it's nice and brown. I want the caramelized taste of the onion to this banana, which is going to taste really yummy. Going to add some salt to this onion so that they'll fry faster. Going to add some turmeric. And we'll come back when the onion is fried a little bit. So I'm draining the water. So you can see the onions are fried nice and brown. So this is perfectly fried. Now I'm going to add the banana pieces. The bananas are on high flame now, so make sure you cook them in the beginning, at least for 2 minutes on a high flame. Keep checking now and then, just so that they are not sticking to the bottom. Just for 2 to 3 minutes, keep it on a high flame, as I said, and keep an eye out, stirring it now and then. It hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes, this recipe. And the taste is going to be so amazing, and it's so nice to eat with hot rice. So let's come back after 5 or 6 minutes. Now they've been frying away for almost 5 minutes. You can see how they're sticking to the bottom, so just keep stirring it up now and then. Now what I'm going to add is a little bit of salt. Remember, we added a bit of the salt for the onion. I'm still going to add some more for the pieces. And I'm going to add chilli powder. Not many spices I'm using today, just salt, chili powder and turmeric. That's all I have added. And I'm going to add a little bit of fresh coriander. Some people like to add garlic ginger paste as well. I'm not going to add that because I'm going to make it as simple as I can, because no matter what you add and what you don't, this banana fry is going to taste really delicious. So let's just mix it and keep it on a low flame now, because we added the chili powder and salt. So I want the pieces to suck in the salt and the chili powder. So just in a slow flame, we'll leave it on for another 5 minutes. So it all should be done by then. Going to put some fresh coriander, and it's ready to eat. So here it is, friends, yummy and tasty banana fry, very quick and easy with very less ingredients. I hope you all enjoyed this banana fry, my request from my beloved auntie. I hope you all like this recipe. If you like, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be coming back with many more exciting recipes. I'll be seeing you soon.